What's up guys, it's Dave Marshall with the RC Marshall YouTube channel, and in this video series we're going to help change your RC life by going over all of the different features and functions of the all-new Spektrum NX Series Transmitters. As with all of our videos, everything that you see in the video is available in the links in the description. Those are affiliate links, and when you use those, it pays a small commission back to the channel, and we really appreciate your support. If you like the videos that we're putting out here on the RC Marshall YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you never miss another video. Now let's get to today's tutorial. What's up guys, in this video we're going to be discussing how to set up your analog switch setup in your Spektrum NX radio. So let's go ahead and get into the menu. We're going to hit our scroll wheel, we're going to go down to analog switch setup, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the analog switch setup menu. Now what this does is it allows us to effectively use any of our analog controls to function as a switch. And this is where we go to kind of set up how those work and when we want them to be in position 0, when we want them to be in position 1, and position 2. For the purposes of what we're doing, we're going to set up the aileron. The position of the control is going to be shown here in this last column. Right now the aileron stick is centered. As we start to move the aileron stick to the left and to the right, so the left gives us positive values, we have to move it all the way past 75% in order for that position to change to 0. So at the far left we're at 0. As we go beyond 75%, right there you see we're at 75, it transitions from 0 to 1, and from 75 all the way to negative 75 we're going to stay in position 1, and then when we go beyond negative 75 it transitions over to position 2. Now say we want all three positions to be to the right of the stick. We want them all to be negative positions. The way that we change those is by, say we want, the first change to happen at negative 33%, right? So that first third of the stick is going to be position 0, and then when we get to the second third of the stick, so between 33 and I want it to change at 66. So you'll see we have the position 0, 1 shift point and the position 1 to 2 shift point. I want to move my cursor with the scroll wheel over to that position 1, 2, move my stick to negative 66. So what it's going to do is it's going to assign that value based on the position of the stick at that moment in time. You can't use the scroll wheel to adjust it, which would be, pretty nice if we could do that, but that's just not how that function. So we'll move it again over to negative 66. So now with the stick in the center, we move it over to the right. Everything to the left, we're not changing that switch position. As we move it to the right, between 0% and 32% or negative 32%, we're not going to see that position change. So look at this column here. It stays at 0, right? It's not until we go beyond 32% that we change to position 1. And when we go beyond 66% here, it changes to position 2. So that is how we set up the switch on a stick. So if we wanted to associate that with a mix or something like that, we can do that. Now keep in mind, that is still going to be your aileron control as well. You'll have the position 0 to 1 and position 1 to 2 functions for each of the analog controls that you have on your radio. On the NX6, you're going to have them for your throttle, aileron, elevator, rudder. For the NX8, you're going to add the right knob, and for the NX10, you're also going to get the left and right levers. And as we move through each one of those, like here we can go to next. So we're going to see on the NX10, which is what I've got here, you've got your right knob, you've got your right lever, left lever, which is your sliders on the back of the radio, as well as your throttle, aileron, elevator, and rudder. So each analog control can be set up independently. All right guys, that's it for today's tutorial on the NX Series Transmitters. Again, if you're looking to buy an NX Series transmitter, please check our links in the description. Those are affiliate links that pay a small commission back to the channel, and we absolutely appreciate your support. And as always, for all the other things that you need to change your RC life, you can always go to rcairmarshal.com, where you'll find affiliate links to all of our affiliate partners. If you have any questions on today's video, be sure to leave those down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer those as soon as I get a chance. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on those notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.